Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
I nostri programmi sono offerti in molte lingue. Consultate suprememastertv.com/schedule.
We actually pull it from the air. There's humidity, there's water in the atmosphere all around us, and we pull it in through our machines.
Atmospheric Water Generation Technology, a sustainable solution to the global water crisis. Continue watching to find out more.
Vegan, a big step in human evolution.
Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you in Arabic, the official language of Bahrain. I'm Hassan. The peaceful people of Bahrain wish that all beings can live harmoniously together. Welcome to our show, Atmospheric Water Generation Technology, a sustainable solution to the global water crisis. Water sustains every aspect of life on Earth, and access to safe, reliable drinking water and sanitation services is considered a basic human right. However, images of women and children having to walk many miles each day to get water in some parts of the world are not uncommon. According to the World Wildlife Fund, 1.1 billion people lack access to water, and 2.7 billion experience water scarcity at least 1 month a year. It's predicted that almost half of the world's population will experience water shortages by 2025. With a seeming abundance of water on our planet, how could this be possible? Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface, but only 3% of this water is fresh and 97% is found in the oceans. Even then, just 0.5% of Earth's fresh water is available. In addition, climate change causes extreme droughts and population growth increases demand, thus further depleting the water supply in many parts of the world. Therefore, in coming years, the shortage of fresh water will pose one of the biggest threats to humankind, so the need to develop new sustainable technologies to address the issue is urgent. On today's program, we'll explore the fascinating science behind atmospheric water generation technology, which generates clean drinking water from the air and could be an emerging alternative to tackle the global water crisis. Water from air devices, also known as atmospheric water generators or AWGs, are technological tools that can condense water vapor from ambient, usually humid, air through a variety of methods. Several techniques currently exist to convert air into water, but most devices use energy to cool and condense the air into liquid water. AWGs are powered by electricity from the main power grid or from clean energy sources such as solar panels, wind turbines, and wave converters. The atmosphere, a potentially limitless alternative water source that has gained increasing industrial interest, offers a solution to the worsening global water shortage. Unlike desalination methods that use seawater, the only resource needed for AWGs to work is the air with its trapped moisture. Thus, AWG machines can be placed virtually anywhere and produce large quantities of water from the atmosphere in regions with humidity levels as low as 20%. The water produced from AWGs is safer to drink than that generated from wastewater treatment systems. Due to the filtration process they employ, AWGs generate water with virtually no inorganic minerals, impurities, and contaminants. The water is clean, natural, and free from chemicals. Many companies around the world have developed air-to-water machines that function like dehumidifiers. Let's check out how these AWGs work. The Israeli company Watergen has developed an atmospheric drinking water machine that creates water from the air. The company's device is a great solution to drinking water scarcity and has gained global attention. It brings clean water to any location at any time and also helps to reduce the carbon created by transportation and environmentally harmful plastic waste.
We actually pull it from the air. There's humidity, there's water in the atmosphere all around us, and we pull it in through our machines. It goes through our air filters, so any pollutants that are in the air get cleaned out. It comes into our system, we cool it to the dew point, collect the water, almost like a dehumidification process. It goes through our mineral pack filtration process, so it can give you a good taste as well. And what you're left with, tasting and definitely the healthiest water right from the air. And we put this machine on our emergency response vehicle. So we've gone to California, the town of Paradise, to help with the recovery from the wildfires. We help out with any natural disasters. We work with FEMA and also the Red Cross in order to help out the humanitarian effort as possible. Because in those areas, there's no power. And you're trucking in bottles of water, this is able to be brought on our emergency response vehicle directly to any remote area. Be able to give water right there using a generator on the truck.
Vegan, the whole animal people kingdom thanks you for your compassion.
We'll pause for a moment now to thank Heaven for providing us with fresh water. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Welcome back to our program, Atmospheric Water Generation Technology, a sustainable solution to the global water crisis. Using similar technology to Watergen's, Air-O-Water is an AWG device from India, where water contamination and water scarcity impact millions of people's lives every day. The Air-O-Water machine also generates water by condensing humidity from the air. Air-O-Water brings water to the thirstiest regions in India, as well as to Bangladesh and South Africa. In the United States, retired veteran Moses West, with his Paladin Water Technology, has worked with the Water Rescue Foundation to bring free, clean water to Flint, Michigan, Puerto Rico, and the Bahamas. His AWG units can produce up to 8,400 liters or 2,200 gallons of clean water a day, thus benefiting thousands of people who have no access to clean drinking water. Through his nonprofit foundation, Mr. West hopes to continue providing free, clean drinking water to those in need all around the world. Next, we'll learn how researchers at the University of California, Berkeley have developed a solar-powered device that can pull water straight from the desert air using the metal organic framework.
In our latest work, we have the next generation water harvester This can work out in the desert where there is no supply of energy aside from sunlight.
What it does is that it collects water from the atmosphere at very dry conditions and then releases it so we can harvest it as a liquid water by using only energy of sunlight. The key component of this device is this powder. We call it meta-organic framework. It is composed of organic molecules and metals. We'll leave it overnight because during the night we have a lot of water content in the atmosphere, so this water molecules gets inside the framework and stay there. You can imagine it's like a sponge.
We're going to put the lid on the top of the box to make sure none of the water vapor coming out from the powder can escape from the box. We put the shade on top of the lid to direct the sunlight right on top of the mouth to heat them up.
When this powder heats up, the water molecules come out of the framework and we can collect them as a liquid water.
This new Berkeley device is reconfigured as to be suitable for the desert anywhere in the world. Almost 1/3 of the world is water stressed. To be able to deliver liquid water is quite powerful. We are already working on the next generation MOF material. This is an aluminum-based MOFs that will be cheaper and more economical to scale up than the one we've already reported. So this is a tremendous boost to commercialization of our water harvester.
Such fascinating technologies have already been invented for producing an abundance of clean water. We hope that many more atmospheric water generation machines will be produced to provide fresh water in those places where it's most needed, and pray that people no longer have to suffer from water shortages.
Being a vegan and the kingdom of God are in the same direction. The Reverend Father Anthony Changsang Loy, vegan.
Wise viewers, thank you for your company today during our program, Atmospheric Water Generation Technology, a Sustainable Solution to the Global Water Crisis. Coming up next is Jill Robinson, Vegan, and Animals Asia, Ending Bear People Exploitation, Part 1 of 2, right after Noteworthy News. May your soul be ever uplifted by the divine.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/GAT.